Hello. So yeah, in this video we're going to take a look on the scripts. What's the difference between today's scripts and last week's script? Yeah, obviously the today's script is more advanced than yeah last week because we open up individual tab and get its meta description. Yeah, so yeah, the difference is pretty lot. As you can see, let's run let's run our yes last week's scripts. Yeah, the last week's scripts only get its title, so let's change. By an instance, I add some check, some logic on filtering, and I particularly want to filter these videos out because I don't really, yeah, they probably have like I haven't checked it yet. Do they have meta description? Meta? Uh-huh. No, 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 no. Meta title. Oh, they actually have meta description. Yeah, that's a reveal, right? But I don't want to load this video because they're not a site, they're video. Yeah, they're hosted on a site, but they're a video. So should we include it? I think we should include it. Or maybe not. Yeah, let's just stick to the initial plan. We don't want the video to be included on our result. So yeah, we filtering it even further by this adding this some logic. It's if the h3 equals video, it won't come out. It won't take a dip. It won't check. So you're just going to pass. And we want to get the link to our individual result, so we want to get the A tag, the link tag, whatever, and get its href attribute, which is contain the actual link. So we were going to do just that on here, this piece of code. Await page.evaluate elements by tag name A on the first, because just in case there contain multiple links, but unlikely, but just in case. And get attribute and href, yeah, that's contain the link, and we get that link and store it on link variable, of course. Then this script section over here, we want to open a new tab or page or tab. I like to call it a page than tab because tab sounds, I don't know, sounds weird. So yeah, just that we want to open a new page or tab. Yeah, it's confusing. Puppeteer call it a page, but the browser call it a tab. So let's stick it with the Puppeteer one. All right, so we open up a new tab by await browser dot new page and store it on our variable here, so we could call the function of the page, like bring to front. And we run await link page, which basically the new page. Bring to front, that means like here you only open it a new page, but bring to front does is focus on that tab or page. So it's basically to tell the Puppeteer, hey, look on this tab or page. So yeah, just that. Then after we focusing after the Puppeteer focus on our new tab or page. Yeah, it's getting harder. And yeah, we open up the link we did get before and wait until load time at 0 because my connections are garbage. And we try to get its meta description by this section because sometimes not every not every website provided the meta description on top of their head section of their website because yeah, sometimes people don't understand the basic SEO. but but you might talk, well, it's on the first page of Google result, there's got to be a meta description, right? Because without them it's probably impossible to get the first result on Google. But well, I'm just in case it doesn't have meta description and I don't want to throw some error because of it, so I slap a try catch, a basic try catch here, so we could review it easily. Because if I put it in one line, it's gonna be confusing. So yeah, just some classic try catch here. So try, inside our try segment, we want to get the meta description, and if the meta description is not exist, it's going to catch some error because the Puppeteer couldn't locate the said meta description. So we set it as not detected because Puppeteer couldn't get the meta description. So yeah, this is the point of all these shenanigans. So we store it on our object here, call it unresult, and push it to our result here, then show it up. Yeah, let's run it. Oh, I wrong. Yeah, I ran the wrong script here. There. What's it called? Oh, run. Not index yet. As you can see, yeah, just like before, it's opened up each individual search in new tab, then get its meta description, close it, and so on and so on. Maybe we should get the YouTube one, but the problem with that is it contains multiple, and as you can see there's multiple YouTube. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of work. Where's my it's going to be a lot of work because it's infinitely generated, it's dynamically generated, like the see more button. It's like the plugin from WordPress called load more. So it's basically paginationless or whatever. So it's endlessly load, and it is bad for our Puppeteer because we don't want our Puppeteer to run forever, right? So we went. So I rather not. But yeah, I'm not in the mood to to code this script even further. Maybe next week. Yeah, I'm really not in the mood here. Look, it's Sunday, it's weekend. It's supposed to be happy times. I sleep all day. Yeah, I've been sleeping all day, like a lot sleeping. But yeah. So yeah, here's our result. Got title, the link, and the meta description. So that's that. See you next week.